In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a referral program to Shopify. Open your Shopify admin dashboard in your browser. Once the dashboard loads, go to the left sidebar and click Apps. A search bar will open at the top. Click into that search field and type smile.io. As you enter it, wait for the results to appear below. In the search results, click Smile Loyalty Program Rewards. This opens the app listing page inside Shopify. On the app listing page, look to the left side and click Install. Shopify will then redirect you back to your admin area so you can confirm the app installation. When that confirmation page appears, click Install again. For this video, the app is already installed to save time. So after installation, you'll arrive on the smile.io dashboard, where the new rewards program overview is displayed. Now move to the left sidebar inside the Smile dashboard and click Program. This takes you into the area where your loyalty and referral settings are managed. At the top of the page, click Referrals. You'll now see the referral program settings, including separate reward cards for the customer who refers someone and the friend who uses the referral. Start with the Referring Customer Reward. In the Referring Customer Reward card, click Edit. The Settings panel opens so you can change the reward details. Look for the Reward Value field. Click into that field and enter the discount value you want to offer to the customer who sends the referral. Take a moment to type the amount clearly into the field. Then review the value on screen. When that's set, click Save. Return back to the main program page. You should still be in the Referral section, with the next reward card visible below. In the Referred Friend reward card, click Edit. This opens the reward settings for the new customer who receives the referral link. Look for the Reward Value field again. Click into it and enter the discount value you want the referred friend to receive. As you type, make sure the value appears correctly in the box. Once that reward amount is entered, click Save. At this point, both referral rewards are active inside smile.io. The referring customer reward is saved, and the referred friend reward is also saved, so the referral program setup on the app side is complete. Next, you need to enable the Smile widget on your storefront so customers can actually see and use the referral program. Go back to the main Shopify admin. In the left sidebar, click Online Store. This opens your theme and storefront controls. On your current theme, click Edit Theme. The theme editor will open, and you'll see the storefront preview along with theme settings and app controls. Inside the theme editor, look to the left panel and click App Embeds. This section controls floating widgets and app-based elements that can appear on your storefront. In the App Embeds list, find smile.io. When you locate it, toggle it on. The switch should change state to show that the embed is enabled for the live theme. After turning it on, go to the top right corner of the editor and click Save. Your referral program is now live on your Shopify store. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. With the widget enabled, the smile.io launcher appears in the bottom right corner of your storefront. When customers click it, they can open the rewards panel and access their unique referral link. From there, they can share that referral link through social media or by email. And once a referred customer makes a purchase, both sides receive the discount reward you configured in the referral settings.